Can you imagine that the life without clean water? Can you imagine that the water sources around you are full of pollutants? And did you know that water scarcity affects more than 40% of the total world populations? In the past few years, the statistics shows that at least 1 of every 4 people will be affected by water scarcity in 2050 due to drinking water shortage and the growing needs of the global populations. Of the planet's total water reserve, only 0.4% of water is fit for human consumption. So that's why we need water and wastewater treatment. The presence of nitrogenous contaminant in the water is one of the main issues in the past few decades. Improper discharge of the untreated water into the natural water bodies is the main causes for the water contaminations and pollutions. Lately, studies on various methods in the treatment of polluted water have been conducted by several researchers. The biofilter actually shows promising potentials in countermeasures of these issues. This biofiltration is a pollution control technique using a bioreactor which contains living organisms such as microorganisms to capture and biologically degrade the pollutants. The existing biofilter involves the use of conventional filter material such as sand, gravel, and many other composite materials. However, the operational cost of this conventional filter material is very expensive, as it's around 50% of the total investment cost of the biofilter. So, here comes the interesting part of my study. I'm utilizing the plant-based waste generated in our daily life as the filter media for the attachments of the microorganism. For example, sugarcane, coconut husks, and oil palm fruits. These natural residues are abundantly available as the byproducts in the agriculture industry, especially in Malaysia, which in turn will reduce the overall operational cost of this biofilter treatment system. Besides that, my study will also evaluate on the performance of this plant-based waste biofilter and their ability to culture selective microorganisms which are responsible in the biodegradation of these certain pollutants. In the conclusions, it is necessary for us to develop an efficient and environmental friendly treatment system in order to enhance the environmental health. And my study has a potential in creating an innovations for a more sustainable future. Thank you.